Okay, it's the day after the big snowfall, and my wife and I have been digging snow for about 30 to 40 minutes, and we've quit for now, but we'll come back out later. But here's the extent of what we did. We cleared off our deck, as you can see, at least enough to get the door open, and here's the winter wonderland that is our backyard. The poor birds can't really get at the feeder. We're wondering what to do. Maybe we'll put some seed on this railing here. But anyway, here's what we did in the 30 to 40 minutes of shoveling. We did the steps here. Here's one car in the carport. That's not going to go anywhere soon. This is a snowblower that I borrowed from a neighbor, but I couldn't get going because the carburetor was bad. And we cut a path. Here's another car that is completely covered with snow. And we cut a path here. Here's our driveway, just completely inundated with snow. We had a ruler here a moment ago, still measured 20 plus inches of snow. And we cut a path down the stairs into the basement. So now we have two ways to get in and out of the house.